Hello everyone, in this quick video guide, I'm going to show you how to assemble this Moai from Easter Island that I decided to make from a 3D object to give as a gift to a really good friend of mine. Basically, as you can see here, it creates a really cool, neat illusion, and in the end of the video, I'll show you some examples of how you can mount it on a wall or how it looks like as a desk ornament. So stick around and let's get right to it. As you can see here, I sectioned off all the major components of this decoration. The plate fixtures composed of 3 sections, each having the center plate guide. The left side of the Moai, which is composed of 10 sections. The right side of the Moai, which is composed of 11 sections, the first one being what's considered the middle section. For the first plate fixture, you will use a center mark to position the middle plate on its uppermost slot. You can then position a second and third plate fixture respectively within the middle and bottom slot of this plate. You will now go in order, positioning each plate in each one of the respective slots on the plate fixtures. These plates were designed to snap in place and have a relatively tight hold, but feel free to add some adhesive in areas that may seem a little loose. For the plate at the end, you will notice that I added indicators of where you will add adhesive and also position on the plate fixture. I specifically designed it this way because if I added a slot here, I feel the construction would take away from the decoration itself. By doing it this way, it also gives the illusion of each plate floating and adds to the detail of this design. You will do the same to the very small shoulder plate of the Moai. Once the right side section is complete, you can move on to the left following the same process for the remainder of the sections. The left side outside plates will also have the same position indicators where you can add a small dab of adhesive and attach in place. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I enjoyed designing it. Feel free to leave some feedback or any ideas you may have of something that would also look really neat in this style of decoration. In the next couple of weeks, I will make many more neat designs, starting with some very popular characters that I'm sure will look great in many different settings. Don't forget to hit like, share, and also subscribe for future notifications or really cool ideas that I'll make video guides for. Thank you guys for watching.